Do you get nervous speaking English while driving? In the next 20 minutes, you will learn exactly what to say at traffic lights, gas stations, parking lots, and more, so you can drive and speak English with total confidence.
Stay with us until the end. You'll pick up real English sentences you can actually use while driving, and we'll even test you with a quick challenge.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello English Lab, where we make English learning practical and fun.
And today's episode is all about learning English while driving. Whether you're on your way to work, dropping kids at school, or taking a road trip, you'll learn how to speak English naturally in real driving situations.
We'll teach you key driving vocabulary, useful phrases, and full sentences you can start using right away.
Before we start, tell us in the comments, do you already drive? And have you ever had to speak English while driving? We'd love to hear your story.
Let's start with basic driving words. Repeat after us.
Steering wheel.
The round wheel you use to control the car.
Example, hold the steering wheel with both hands.
Seatbelt, the safety belt you wear while driving. Example, always wear your seatbelt.
Rear view mirror, the mirror in the middle to see behind your car. Example, check the rear view mirror before reversing.
Side mirror, mirrors on the left and right sides. Example, adjust your side mirrors before driving.
Accelerator, the gas pedal to make the car go faster. Example, press the accelerator gently.
Brake pedal, the pedal to stop the car. Example, use the brake when you see a red light.
Turn signal, the light that shows you're turning left or right. Example, use your turn signal before changing lanes.
Speed limit, the maximum speed allowed on a road. Example, the speed limit is 60 miles per hour.
Traffic jam, when there are too many cars and the road is slow. Example, we're stuck in a traffic jam.
Parking lot, the place where you park your car. Example, let's park in the parking lot.
Now let's consider useful sentences for everyday driving. Starting the car.
Insert the key and start the engine.
Check the mirrors and fasten your seatbelt.
At a traffic light. The light is green. Let's go.
The light is yellow. Slow down. The light is red. Stop the car.
On the road. Keep to the speed limit.
Stay in your lane.
Use your turn signal before you turn.
In traffic. We're stuck in traffic.
Let's take another route. This road is closed. We need to detour.
At a gas station. Fill it up, please. Can you check the oil? Where is the nearest gas station?
Pause the video right now and repeat these sentences aloud. Practicing out loud is the fastest way to learn.
And don't forget to hit like if these phrases are helping you. It really helps us reach more English learners like you.
Let's role play a situation. Sarah, you're driving to work. Ready?
Ready.
Good morning, Sarah. Where are you going?
I'm driving to work. The traffic is heavy today.
Be careful. Did you check your mirrors?
Yes, I adjusted them before starting the car.
Great. Don't forget to use your turn signal.
Of course. Oh no, there's a traffic jam.
Take the next exit. It's a faster route.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us, where do you usually drive every day?
And subscribe if you want to learn real-life English every week.
Now that you know the basics, let's go deeper. Repeat after us.
Blind spot, the area you can't see in your mirrors.
Example, check your blind spot before changing lanes.
Windshield wipers.
Blades that clear rain from your front window. Example, turn on the windshield wipers, it's raining.
Dashboard.
The control panel with speed and fuel information. Example, keep an eye on the dashboard while driving.
Glove compartment, the small storage box in front of the passenger seat. Example, the car documents are in the glove compartment.
Overtake, to pass another car that's going slower.
Example, always check your mirrors before overtaking.
Emergency brake, the handbrake or parking brake is used in emergencies.
Example, pull the emergency brake if the car starts rolling.
Flat tire. When a tire loses air. Example, I can't drive. I have a flat tire.
Tow truck, a truck that moves broken cars.
Example, call a tow truck. My car won't start.
Now, let's switch to emergency phrases used when driving.
Sometimes things go wrong on the road. Here's what to say in English. My car broke down. Can you help me jumpstart my car? I ran out of gas. Call an ambulance. There's been an accident. Where's the nearest repair shop? I need a mechanic. The engine is overheating. Please call roadside assistance.
These are simple, clear sentences. You don't need perfect grammar in an emergency, just clear communication.
If you're learning something new, type I'm learning in the comments. We love to see your progress.
And hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next real-life English lesson. Now let's do a full conversation. Imagine Sarah's driving to work and stops for gas at the gas station.
Good morning. Fill it up, please.
Sure, do you want me to check the oil?
Yes, please. And can you check the tire pressure too?
Everything looks fine. That'll be $40.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
Drive safely. This is exactly how you speak in a polite and natural way. Now, let's take another example in the parking lot.
Excuse me, where is the elevator?
It's next to the stairs on the left.
Thank you. Also, do you validate parking here?
Yes, we do. Just show your receipt.
Perfect. Have a great day.
Which role play helped you the most? Gas station or parking lot? Comment below so we know what to teach next.
And share this video with a friend who drives. They'll thank you later.
Now, let's consider some useful driving questions.
When you're in a new city, you might need to ask for directions. Practice these. How do I get to the highway? Is this the right way to the airport? Where can I park? Is there a gas station nearby? How far is the next rest stop? Which road should I take to downtown?
And if someone asks you for directions, go straight for 2 miles. Turn left at the next light. The gas station is on your right. Take the second exit at the roundabout. Follow this road until you see the sign. Now we are going to consider speaking English at traffic lights. When you're driving in a city, traffic lights control everything. Let's learn how to talk about them. Red light. Stop at the red light. Green light. The light is green, go. Yellow light. Slow down, it's turning red. Traffic jam. We're stuck in traffic. Detour. The main road is closed, take the detour.
Now let's practice some sentences. We have to wait for the light to change. Turn right after the green light. Be careful, pedestrians are crossing. There's a police officer directing traffic.
Let's try a mini dialogue at a red light. Why are we stopping?
The light is red. We have to wait.
Look, it's turning green. Let's go.
Let's take another example. You got pulled over by the police. Don't worry, this is just practice. If you get pulled over, you need to stay calm and speak clearly.
Good afternoon. License and registration, please.
Good afternoon, officer. Here you go.
Do you know why I stopped you?
No, officer. Could you tell me?
You are driving over the speed limit.
I'm sorry. I'll be more careful.
Please slow down. Have a safe day.
Thank you, officer.
Always be polite and respectful. This is the safest way to handle any stop.
If you've learned a new phrase today, pause and type it in the comments. It helps you remember it better.
The next section talks about what happens at a car repair shop. Sometimes your car needs fixing. Here are common sentences. My car won't start. There's a strange noise coming from the engine. How long will it take to repair? How much will it cost? Can you check the brakes? Do I need a new battery?
Let's do a role play.
Hi, my car is making a strange sound.
Where's the sound coming from?
I think it's the engine.
Let me check. Can you leave the car here for 2 hours?
Sure. How much will it cost?
Around $150.
Okay, please fix it. Now, let's take another example of giving and following directions in English.
Here's an example of giving directions in clear English.
Turn left at the next intersection.
Left here?
Yes, then go straight for 3 blocks.
Got it. What's next?
Take the second right after the gas station.
Thanks. I see it now.
Which part of today's lesson was most useful? Traffic lights, police stops, or the repair shop? Let us know below.
And don't forget to subscribe. Our next lesson will be a full driving simulation in English. Now, let's look at some safe driving vocabulary. Are you ready?
Seatbelt. Always wear your seatbelt. Speed limit. The speed limit is 60 miles per hour. Turn signal. Don't forget to use your turn signal. Rear view mirror. Check the rear view mirror before reversing. Horn. Only use your horn to warn others, not to get angry. Fuel gauge. The fuel gauge says we're almost empty. Brake pedal. Press the brake pedal gently.
Okay, James, let's keep going. We've started the car, adjusted our mirrors, and checked our seatbelts. Now we're officially on the road.
Yes, and while we drive, we'll use everyday English phrases that drivers actually say. This way you can practice English and imagine you're really driving.
Perfect. Let's start with something simple. I am driving to work.
Great. Now try this one. I am driving to the supermarket.
Good. Now let's make it a little longer. I am driving to the supermarket to buy some food.
Excellent. And viewers, say it out loud with us. Don't just listen. Speaking is how you build confidence.
Oh, look ahead. The traffic light is red. That means we have to stop.
Yes, so here's a useful sentence. I stopped at the red light.
Now you try. I stopped at the red light because the cars in front of me stopped too.
Nice. Remember, red light equals stop. That's simple English, but very important.
Okay, the light just turned green. What do we say?
The light is green. Let's go.
Perfect. Repeat. The light is green. I can drive now.
Excellent. And always remember, green means go, red means stop. That's easy English and easy driving.
Now, Sarah, imagine I'm the passenger and you're driving. I'll ask you for directions.
Okay, sounds fun.
Excuse me, James. How do I get to the supermarket?
Easy. Go straight, then turn right.
Yes, excellent. These are the most common driving directions. Practice with us. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. Stop here.
Viewers, repeat each phrase with us. Let's say them together, slowly.
James, what if there's traffic? What should we say?
Good question. There is heavy traffic.
Or the road is busy.
Perfect. And sometimes there's construction, so we say, there is road construction.
Yes. Or the road is closed.
Excellent vocabulary. Let's repeat slowly. Heavy, traffic. Busy, road. Road, construction. Road, closed.
Nice work, everyone. Keep practicing out loud.
Okay, Sarah, we're arriving at our destination. Now it's time to park.
Yes, this is useful English too. I am parking the car.
And I parked the car in the parking lot.
Good one. And here's another. Where can I park my car?
Yes, that's a very common question.
Finally, we've arrived. What do we say?
Easy. We arrived safely.
Or, we reached our destination.
Perfect. And don't forget to turn off the engine. I turned off the car.
And one last important phrase. Don't forget to lock the car. That was a full driving trip in English, from starting the car to stopping at lights, giving directions, parking, and arriving.
Yes, you just learned real-life English you can use every day.
And the best way to remember is to practice daily. Next time you're in a car, even as a passenger, say these sentences out loud.
Exactly. And if you enjoyed learning with us today, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Because at Hello English Lab, we're here to help you speak English with confidence in real life.
That's right. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Bye!